Here we're unpacking a UBeesize 67-inch selfie stick tripod with a Bluetooth remote. We have 4 sections to maximize and minimize the height. And we have a sturdy and adjustable holder. You can securely mount your smartphone to this. And also equipped with a convenient Bluetooth remote. Simply pair it with your device and you're ready to capture. GoPro camera adapter included. Pair the Bluetooth remote with your device by just following the simple instructions provided in this manual. It's very quick and easy. And also user manual for the tripod was included. So this is the locking knob for the tripod legs. To set up your tripod at desired height, simply loosen the lock, extend or retract the tripod legs to your preferred position. Once you position the legs, tighten the lock. This is crucial to prevent any movement or wobbling during your shots. Fasten the screw on the tripod head. So with a sturdy and an adjustable holder, you can securely mount your camera or smartphone. You have to fasten the screw at your required angle so you can achieve the perfect angle for your shots without the worry of wobbling or instability. Attach your camera or a phone holder to the tripod head. So fasten the screw using the screw head until fully tightened. So here we have 3 sections to increase the height of the tripod, 35.8 inches, 51 inches and 67 inches. So this tripod offers you the flexibility to maximize or minimize its heights according to your needs. Whether you're shooting from a low angle or capturing some landscapes from up high, this tripod has you covered. So remember, this manual is here to make your experience as smooth as possible. Don't hesitate to refer back to it whenever you need assistance. Thank you.